Hey folks, got another car for you to check out today, and I'm telling you, this is a beauty. More I got to learn about this car, the more impressed I am with it. This is a 1991 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, and yes, it's the GTA, which means it's got the bigger motor, the 5.7 liter, 350 cubic inch with 240 horsepower, and it's got the turn point injection, the TPI, but it's also got the WS6 performance handling package. My name is Eric. We're located in Denver, Colorado. I'm helping the owner, Mark, who I'll introduce here in a minute, with marketing this car and advertising, handle initial inquiries. This still is a private sale. I'm just helping him with marketing this. There's going to be a bunch more pictures on my website at nextstepprosales.com, and be sure to check out all this video, and then give me a call if you want to if you got any questions, or talk to Mark, or set up a showing. Showings are by appointment only, and we're going to need at least a 24 to 48 hour notice. Now get this car's only got a little over 60,000 miles. Mark's the third owner and has kept it garage for the last 5 years, and as far as we know, I'm going to introduce Mark here. This thing's been probably babied its whole life, for the way I'm looking at it. Folks, this car is really clean. This is the original carpet that's in here, the original paint, original interior, cloth interior, and we got the 4-speed manual transmission. You want to pop the hood here. No chips in the windshield. There are some rock chips up in the hood area here, and I've got more pictures of that on my website at nextstepprosales.com. The engine looks real good. You've had some recent work done to this. One, you had a new computer put in it.
New computer, a
new fuel pump.
Just changed the oil in 2021. I had a ton of stuff done to the engine, $2,700.
But you bought it with 54,000 miles.
54,000 miles.
And it's got 60,100. So you've only put 6,000 plus miles
since
on it.
I've had it. It's
new brakes and everything and whatnot. I know the tires are DOT on those are 2011. So, but the tires still look pretty good. Might need new tires, but I think they're pretty good shape. What else comes to mind?
I've had it, like I said, 5 years. It's been in the garage unless I've been driving it or had it at the car wash.
Why did you buy this car?
I traded this car actually
for an RV, wasn't it?
My huge diesel pusher RV after my son passed away.
I
always thought it'd have a Corvette, a red Corvette, but man, this thing is just like a Corvette.
Well, it's got the same motor as this for a 91 Corvette, but this has cast iron heads on it.
So it's actually a better motor.
It is. They say it's a faster motor.
Yeah, it is fast. I've had it up to 110, and there was room for more. But well, I didn't have the balls to go more.
Folks, in my ad, I've got a link to a video that I watched on this that was done by the manufacturer, a motor review club, and it was pretty impressive what they said about the suspension of this.
I've had it up and down the mountains. I took it to Silverthorne, climbed the hills with no effort. And I was doing 80-ish miles an hour on the way down the hills and into the curves.
It looks really clean. No rips, no tears.
No rips, no tears.
Tell you what, let's pop this down. Let's start it up.
Okay.
And then we're going to take it for a little cruise. And I can hardly wait. I just started the car a few minutes ago, and I'm telling you, it's got a nice feel in the driver's seat. It really does. Now that's an automatic closing latch.
Yeah.
Back in.
Just got to drop it and it'll latch out by itself.
Go ahead, fire her up.
Okay.
Now again, this car's located in Denver. A bunch more pictures on my website at nextstepprosales.com. Nice sound to this. Yeah, that's nice. Let's take this for a little cruise. We'll be back in just a second as soon as we get out on the road. Okay, folks, we're back. And here we go. Oh yeah. That's smooth.
Real smooth.
And you feel real comfortable sitting right there?
Yeah, and I didn't slam it to the floor.
No. You got an aftermarket Kenwood stereo. Okay, the dash looks really great.
I have the original.
You have the original in the trunk.
It's got a car cover.
This feels good.
It feels great.
I feel like I'm in almost like a racing seat a little bit.
Straight down the road. Great pickup.
So no pull to left or right.
Not at all. It's fun to drive.
You got front disc brakes, so it stops fairly well.
Yep. You got
Folks, check out that other video that the review auto place did. There's a link on my website. You gonna miss this car?
Yes, but you know, it lives in my
shut that
garage,
hood?
and I just bought a brand new
Truck.
truck.
That's
and I
why you're selling
retired,
this.
And a truck needs to live in the garage now, so this has got to go.
Well, folks, thanks for watching. Again, my name's Eric. You can reach me at 720-660-3062. Be sure to check out all the pictures I've got. Probably got 100 on my website. And thanks for watching.